we're going to play today. We are going to play like this game. I never played before. I just downloaded it today, but like I don't know its name. That's why I said it's called this game. When I know it, I'm going. When I start reading it and knowing it, then I'll do a comment about its name in this video in the comments section. Oh, check. This is actually kind of fun. Okay. I'm collecting to get all of this money. I'm going to come on. It's taking so much time now, so I can get the money faster and faster. Oh! Oh, I thought. I'm sorry I didn't talk. I forgot that I was doing a video. Bobby, I'm clicking select. Okay. No, I don't. Oh yeah. I'm getting bigger. Okay. What's those things here? Oh, I accidentally did a screenshot. Well, I'm just happy I got 2 emeralds. Okay. This might be a 1-hour video. I'm going to stop when I get to 10 times the bigger. Okay. 1. Okay. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Oh my god. 7. Nope. 8. 9. Oh, stop. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys. 10. I'll do a video about this in another video. I'm just going to get one more. Okay. Bye guys. Make sure to subscribe and like and comment down. Hey, I love this video. Give me us more videos. But if you don't say that, you say I didn't like this, then I'm not going to like. Then that means you didn't like my video, and if you like, you cannot watch the video. I'm going to do a more, okay? But now, like and subscribe.